Okay, everybody, I told you about that gremlin where I drive my car, get up, take my word for how long I've driven it, and then it would be hard to start. So I think I've eliminated that. We're going to do a quick test, and the elimination of this was by a weird thing in retrospect. Well, in present perspective. All right, let's see. Perfect. All right, see now. So I have driven this long enough for it to start to stutter when it started, meaning not hit immediately, sort of go won't, then hit, because and I could have sworn at this point it was my alternator after having replaced my solenoid on more than one occasion. It appears to have been purely an issue with the positive battery cable. I ordered another battery cable from eBay a couple of weeks ago, and it came in, I don't know, a few days ago, and I put it on this. Well, there was two stages. One, I had to patch the other cable because the other cable died or failed completely. The post at the starter solenoid broke, and then when I was tightening it down on the post on the battery, it broke. So then I hacked that together, and it appeared to work better. And then I put a new one on there, and it worked perfectly. So now I don't have to worry about driving 15, 20 minutes or 30 minutes and then not being able to start my car, or having to wait for 20 or 30 minutes for it to cool down. It appears to have all been heat issues and the positive battery cable. I have no idea. Maybe it was slightly damaged and the heat made it expand enough for it to fail. That's just a uninformed opinion. All right, I'll talk to you later. Well, I'm walking through the bookstore and the music level is dropped enough, so I probably won't get hit with a copyright strike. Doesn't really make a lot of difference. I don't make money out these videos anyway. But in any case, I'm in the bookstore like I'm in from time to time. I was going to make a comment on the fact that living in a van doesn't necessarily grow your life unless you spend a lot of time driving. You know the van I got and the age, so I sort of limited my area to basically northern Dallas with occasional excursions out toward Fort Worth, which is not an extraordinary long distance away, and down toward the southern part of the county for a funeral. So I did not blow my life wide open when I decided to get in the van. You blow your life wide open when you decide to make it wide open, if you decide to travel a lot. I just wanted to take care of the van, use it as a rolling apartment of sorts, so that's what I've done. I just want to mention that. So I'm just doing a little life drive by today. I'm thinking about going to a restaurant. Might not. It's lunchtime, and I hate going to restaurants at lunchtime. Yeah, I'm weird. In any case, I will check you later. All right, let's continue on with this day. It's only peripherally related to van stuff. I guess if it's van videos, which don't get much, but I'm just so used to doing them now, I just don't know how to stop. Anyway, any case, and I'm not that far from 3,000 subscribers, which is not much after as long as I've been doing it, but I'll make a decision then how much longer I'm going to do this, or if I'm going to do it. I probably will. It's just now become an obsessive hobby. Any case, I bought this Lenovo from Best Buy. There's a Best Buy near where I am right now. In fact, I had to. One of the reasons I'm in this place is I had a free night. I get a free night if I stay a series of nights over a period of time. I get a free night. So I'm using that for this, and I am, because I wanted some place where I could relax and set up my laptop. I don't quite feel that this is the best thing I could do at work. So I have to find a place to do it. So let's see here. Now this is not a high-end machine. I don't know. It's got some Generation 3 and 5 or 6 other words that make no sense to me because the processors change so often now. but I know it's going to be faster than the old HP I was using. Nothing wrong with HP, I just had an old computer. This is going to be relatively, it's not very small, but it's pretty flat, so it'll fit into my monster backpack over there that I use when I'm ferrying stuff in and out of the van. I'm trying to reduce my junk footprint. I stopped by, and I meant to video some of this. I stopped by my storage place and dumped off a lot of heavy crap, including a huge jack I bought to work on that van. Now, it could lift that van, but that jack is just monstrous. It takes up so much space, and and I rarely work on the van at any degree. And and the things I usually want to do is under the hood and not under the body of the van. Though I do probably need a fuel filter, so that's probably going to be something down that I'll either need to climb under there or get somebody to climb under there. In any case, but that's a whole nother story. So I'm going to go set this thing up, and the only thing I use my laptop for is basically just watch a few YouTube videos, and basically 98% of it is being used for video processing on those occasions when I process videos and just don't run them straight from the phone out to you. You guys know I like stream of consciousness or tacky stuff I throw out there. I try to make the content good, but I won't guarantee the video is always good. In any case, I think I mentioned the van earlier and the miracle of the positive battery cable. So I'm going to start my work day late today. I got this free night because I did want to set this, and I saved it specifically to set up a laptop so I won't have to do that anywhere else. And this is when I do video processing, and badly I will use this and download. Probably going to need to go out to Amazon and re-download, because I bought it off of Amazon's mechanized upload sites. In any case, I don't know what else much I'm going to do. Let me peek out the window. This is not a high-end hotel, but it's pretty nice. And the windows are frosty. There's the old van out there. I'm doing some stuff to hide some of the wiring to make it a little bit less tacky. So I'm defying one of my own precepts of I don't give a darn if it's tacky. I really don't, but if it's tacky, maybe it draws less attention and doesn't get people upset the fact it's parked anywhere. So I'm only doing this out of necessity, not out of preference. Okay, I'll talk to you later.